portfolio analyzer bot with the help of Google Gemini 3. So we are going to retrieve live data from my portfolio, and we are going to send those data to an AI, in case Google Gemini, and we will let the Gemini model do the analysis of our portfolio and send us the update on Discord. So to do these things, there are some prerequisite. Head over to your portfolio provider. For me, it's Upstocks and Grow. I'm going to use Grow's API. For that, you need to have an account, and in the Grow, I'll show you. Go to the settings section, go to trading APIs, click here and generate new access token. And once you click here, it's going to provide you an access token. Copy that, and it is going to be very sensitive information, so try to keep this in a very secure place. And once you do that, you will be able to access pretty much everything from your stocks. You will be able to make the stock purchase and all, everything, whole algo trading. You can do it from here. So for now, I'm just showing you one of my portfolio. This is not the one that I actively use, but there are four positions are over there. There are the 4 stocks that I have. Let's try to bring all of this information to our n8n workflow so that an AI can analyze this and make sense out of it. So for that, you'll need to go to the introduction to the Grow API documentation. This is the link. Head over to that, come to the portfolio section, and we actually need to be in the curl documentation. If you want to do with Python, you can also do with this, but we'll try to utilize the HTTP node of the n8n. So what we have to do, you need to come and copy this curl request, create a bring the execute workflow, and here you can just import curl and then just paste this. Everything remains same. It's just that under the authorization, you'll see one more field where the BRL token that we have generated from the API section of the Grow, that you'll need to paste here, and then you can just execute it. So what are the information that I'm getting from here? Let's see. I'm getting 2, 3, 4 holdings. Let's see if I actually am holding 4 stocks. Yes, that's correct results. And holdings are their price and trade exchange, NSE, BSE, where it can be exchanged, and other holdings, Tata Steel, all of the information that we need. So this is the information of my stocks, and it's not in the, what can I say, the required format that I want all of the information as like for what stock, give all of the pricing and all information. So to do that, we will need to add a JavaScript node, which is just bringing all of the data, all of this data, and iterating over them, and just we are collecting the trading symbol, because this is going to be very useful. The quantity, average price, and all of the information, and all how much quantity that I am having right now is going to be passed. So once this is done, this is the normalized data that we get from here. For each stocks, I'm getting these informations, which is good. Quantities are also correct. So for example, let's cross check. For idea, I'm having 8 quantity. Let's go to the portfolio and let's verify. What I want an idea, I'm having about 8 shares. Perfect. So now that you have this information, we are going to utilize one more live data API of the Grow. So given the trading symbol, I want to retrieve all of informations like price changes, bid changes, what is happening for that stock, the live at present of the time. So what we can do, we can utilize the Grow's API. This API Grow /v1 live data. You can come here and you can copy this command, create an HTTP node, import, and then just paste this. Here you need to in the query parameter, you just need to put your segment, cash or what, and then from the previous node, since we have made our data, so we also need to prepend the NSE underscore in front of them. Then only we will be able to call the API. And this the formatting such that this, because the API expect us to give information like this, NSE underscore, the portfolio name, and the where this transaction happened, NSE or BSE, National Stock Exchange. So once we have this information with us, now we will be able to execute this node and get all of the correct pricing and all. So see, we will be able to see this is the at the moment current price live. This is the time. This is the current live price of the node. Now that we have all of this information, let's merge all of them together. My current holding price and the live pricing, and then we need an execution node that is going to do the calculation. What is my PNL? Let's calculate the profit or loss that I have made. Is just the for each stock I'm getting my price, the average price, and then the average price that we are getting from the live API, and then we are just pre-processing such information for an AI. So this is what the raw data will looks like how much loss I'm making per stocks and all. So this I mean, what we could do a direct connection from this point to the AI agent, but it's better to do the calculation yourself and then pass this information to the AI agent. Now I bring an AI agent where system prompt is: you are a professional stock portfolio analyst, discover actionable insights. I'm asking, given this portfolio, and this is the prompt where this is the current portfolio, this is the pricing and all, output is structured, and just give me the recommendation so that we can do uh, the balancing of our portfolio. Like, should I remove or add something? And let's execute this step as well. So now we are asking Gemini Pro model, Gemini 3 Pro, to get the reasoning and all. So now I want this everyone to run. So if you can see, the AI has given us the its findings. Let's see. Or now let's do one thing. Let's connect this to a Discord bot, which is going to give us the information. Perfect. So you can see, after executing the AI node, we got the uh, analysis from the AI. See the portfolio. Overall, I'm making this much loss. PNB, Punjab National Bank, is the top gainer. IRFC has made a lot of loss. So there is assessment, limited diversification for stocks, small quantity, medium high, exposure quality. So now it is giving me recommendation like IRFC, you should hold, and for idea, monitor, and finally it is giving me score out of 100. Like, uh, that should I like? So it's, I mean, I would say not good portfolio right now. So that's how you imagine you will be having thousands of such stocks, and you will be then there will be an AI which can do it for you every day. So let's make it run every day. So let's go to trigger node and on scheduled every day at midnight, or let's get all of this information at 11 a.m. every day, and we want this bot to give this information automatically. You just need to make it as active. Now your bot is deployed, and now every day you are going to get this information daily in the Slack bot. So see, AI is analyzing, getting correct data live from your dashboard. See, this message is here. Perfect. And if in case if you're wondering what is happening here, so there is a full masterclass on n8n present in the same channel. Make sure to also check this out. Thank you.